Yeah, hello Manfred. It's Ignite time. It's time for announcements and for Azure Stack HCI announcements as well. And we heard about security capabilities. So it's the security by default strategy Microsoft talked about. And what does this mean? So security is not new for Azure Stack HCI, but by default.
Yeah, in the certified system area, we had already in the past the situation that integrated systems were forced to provide special hardware tools and capabilities to enable us to build a secure implementation of Azure Stack HCI. But we had to configure these things manually. And this
Mhm.
changes in Azure Stack HCI 23H2, where the focus is on security. So Azure Stack HCI applies more than 300 security policies within the deployment, which makes the operating system absolutely secure by default. The secure boot is enabled, the trusted platform module is used, the volumes are encrypted. This was possible in the past, but I had to configure this. And today it's configured by default. It's out of the box there when my cluster is deployed. This goes so far, I was surprised when I have seen this first time, that the remote desktop on the nodes is disabled within the deployment because this could be a possible security issue. For sure, I'm able to re-enable remote desktop connectivity if I want this, but the nodes are absolutely secure by default when the deployment has finished.
Oh, that's great. So Azure Stack HCI is following security best practices, and you
Yeah.
mentioned the trusted platform module. Is this something that's mandatory now? So like in Windows 11, or just a benefit you can use if you have it, but if you don't have it, absolutely fine.
Yeah, these security configurations can be changed within the deployment. So I can decide to reduce the security level if I need this in my environment. Regarding the trusted platform module, my experience is in the preview. Today we have the preview of
Mhm.
23H2 that it was mandatory to have a properly configured trusted platform module 2.0 or newer for a successful Azure Stack HCI deployment. Yeah.